Hi, I'm Gemma at Orchid. Look at this beautiful grey lacquered altar table. It's from 1920, it's obviously Chinese, and the original carving has got a lovely, lovely sort of floral and leaf detail, all handmade of course, and that's at each end, which forms the altar for this altar cabinet. The top is pretty rustic, all of it's been finished with a lovely clear coat of lacquer, so the finish is beautiful, but it does show quite a lot of the bare Chinese elm underneath. The dark lacquer is just distressed on the front, the top, the sides, but it does give it a lovely, lovely texture. Inside each of the cupboards, this is what's known as a Dongbei configuration, which means you've got a double cupboard in the centre, you've got single cupboards at each end, but the whole thing goes all the way through. And it is only 40 centimetres deep, making it very, very shallow. So if you want one of these lovely big statement pieces of furniture that haven't got a massive room, use this one because it's nice and shallow and won't take up lots of room. It's in store and it's online now at orchidfurniture.co.uk.